Hey pastors, we want you to know that you have the next generation of ministers and leaders right in your church, and we want to provide an opportunity for them to be trained. Isn't that right, Jared?
Yeah, we're so excited for this year's Boost event coming up February 7th. If you're not aware of what Boost is, it's a one-day digital training event where we encourage you to gather your leaders, anybody that does Next Gen ministry in your church. We provide all of the training content, and we even have live stream elements during the day where you get to interact and wrestle through difficult questions to help your ministries become better, interact with our leaders and our teachers throughout the day. It's an awesome opportunity, and here's what's great. It's completely free. We do all the work and create all the content for you. All you have to do is gather your team, get together, and be ready for God to move and help your team develop better. So we so believe in Next Gen Ministry here at the network that we've made it free, and all you have to do is head over to nyyouthmin.com and sign up your team today. We look forward to seeing you guys there.
Amen.